Effective stretch marks remedy. Stretch marks are long, narrow streaks or stripes that occur when the skin is stretched too quickly. Pregnancy, puberty, and rapid weight gain or weight loss can all cause stretch marks. If you are looking for effective solution to get rid of stretch marks, egg white is the right choice. Egg whites contain protein and certain amino acids which can help your skin to heal and lighten the appearance of stretch marks. Restores the smooth and youthful appearance of the skin. For stretch marks free skin, try this remedy. Believe me, it works perfectly. How to do? Take 2 eggs and separate the egg white from them. Whip them using a spoon. Simply apply a thick layer of whipped egg white over your stretch marks. Leave it to dry for about 10 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this twice in a week for best results. Bonus tips. Drinking a lot of water regularly helps to keep your skin well hydrated, moisturized, speed up the process of eliminating your stretch marks and reduce the risk of your body producing new stretch marks in future. If you know other effective remedy for stretch marks, tell us in the comments below. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you never miss any of our upcoming informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.